Next is to set the page length. First, let's get back to the main menu by pressing the left arrow key. Next, press the 4 key for media. Press the 3 key for page length. Now press the up arrow key to increase the value to a little over 1200 inches, which will give us 100 feet to work with. As you can see, this is a little slow, but if we press the fast key, we can increase the increments to a higher value. In this case, we'll increase it to 400-inch increments at a time. Now when we press the up arrow, notice the value significantly increasing each time the up arrow is pressed. Once the value is set, press Enter to accept the change.